In this video, I will show you how to see your Fiverr gig impressions. So to do this, what you want to do is just open up Fiverr and go to your seller profile, and there click on the My Business dropdown and go to your gigs. Now here from within your gigs, you can see your active ones right here. Now for me they are paused, but it works the same. So under the gigs, you can then see the amount of impressions right here. So for me it's 0 since they are paused, but for example, you can also then set it to the last 7 days or last 3 months or whatever else you want. And if you go and click on a gig, then you can see right here, if you scroll down, you will see the gig performance itself, and you will be able to see an actual chart of the amount of gig impressions that it gets per day. You can also see your clicks, orders, and conversion rate if you want to see that. So that's how to see your Fiverr gig impressions. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.